Yo, what is going on? Good morning. This is Andrew, known as ZERODRAWDREW, Pip Catchers Administration. Welcome back to another video. You're new, just like this, subscribe to the channel, keep us motivated. Put this content out every day. Sorry, I know these charts look different today. Smart Trader's down, so I gotta use this fucking bullshit trading view platform that everyone uses. So let's fucking get this shit. I ain't gonna stop. But anyways, so we got this big impulse New York session. I took this trade. I got out at 980 resistance for 30 pips. Nice opportunity. One thing I do notice is, we took buyer liquidity above that, that crown neckline at that 1.31200 resistance. One thing I do notice is we got this U-like structure over here. So all buyer liquidity overall is above this U resistance up here. So I do think we do have a little bit more upside. Bulls still seem like they're in control, right? So looking at this right now, we are reading seller momentum. We got this crown-like pattern right here. All seller liquidity is below this level right here at this 1.31200. So if we drop below there, we might trap bears there to move up to that right shoulder at least. But overall, all buyer liquidity is above this 1.31600 high and this trend line up here. So we're going to enter the buy over there once the the bear trap sets up. We're going to hold it up to there, react to that level, and see if we could get a higher move. So we'll see you guys in a bit when we have a little bit more price action, and let's go. Yo. Alright guys, the bear trap is setting up, so we might get this bull trap above this right shoulder. So we're going to see if that sets up. We're going to look to short to the neckline. So see you guys when this thing is confirmed, and let's go. Alright guys, I'm taking the short now. We might pull up above here, so we're going to have a 10 pip stop loss above that level up there. So like I said, we might pull up above there. If we do, I'll enter, a little, I'll compound, I'll add a little bit more on when we get up there. But right now I want to enter the short here and hold it down to the neckline. So let's go. So I do want to see, boom. But we're in there now, so see you guys in a bit. Let's get it. Alright guys, right now I think this is when it's going to start to drop to the crown neck, so we'll see you guys in a bit. I just entered another 10 lots, and we're going to hold it. Stop loss is going to be above here, and let's go. Like I said, we rode this 30 pip opportunity up, so we got fucking pips to play with. If I had to rename my group, I'd name it Pips to Play With. Alright guys, I'll hit you guys when it hits the target. Let's get it. Pips to play with. Shit. This thing is about to fucking drop hard, guys. Watch this shit. Fucking go. Ready? I don't like this platform. I don't know how people fucking trade on TradingView. I really don't know how people fucking trade on this platform, but watch this shit drop to the crown neck. 25 pips, bro. We getting 2-to-1 on this risk reward ratio. It might close bullish in 2 minutes because we're getting a 15-minute candle. So that 15-minute candle is probably going to be a bull trap. So we might close above that 480 high in 2 minutes, which it's looking to do that. I just hope it doesn't, stop me out above those highs at 580, because I'll be very annoyed. But right now it looks like we might just drop, so because we got that little bull trap at that right shoulder at 480 resistance. We got that little bull trap, so I think we might just start to push now. It looks like it's going to push now, as you could see. We got that bull trap. It fucking went above. This is what I mean by bull trap, guys. You think, people are shorting that level right there due to the crown. So once, it pushes above, buyers are in. Once it comes back in, boom, bulls are trapped. So bulls enter that buy at that right shoulder, traps them, comes back in value, knocks them out. all their stop losses are below here, then sellers get triggered, right? And then boom, we could enter for buy opportunities to the overall liquidity. Anyways, let's watch this shit play live, honestly, because it's going to happen right fucking now. 15-minute candle we're getting right now. This thing's going to drop. Probably engulf, drop to that 200 support level, which I would love to see. I'd love to. We're at least dropping to that crown neck. Honestly, it's probably going to push through after, though, because of the way that this is rejecting on a 5-minute. Like, short term, it might drop to that level, and that's why I'm taking that short right now. And that's really how I get my data, right? So, like, if for some reason, you know, we get that strong bull trap above, right, that means that the short might be good when we get down here, right? Because buyers are triggered, right? But since this thing is rejecting this level, once we get to this level, we'll probably stop out those shorts over here. That makes sense. It's kind of crazy because overall, you know, you got to look at what's happening. Overall, all the buyer liquidity is above this trend line and this high right here. So after we drop to this level, we're going to take profits here. And there's a chance I might just take another fucking buy there if it sets up. I know, it sounds like I'm going fucking crazy, but you know what? I am going crazy. Alright. So yeah, I'm going to pause this a little bit because I don't want to let this video run, because whatever I post on YouTube, if it's a long video, people click out of it. So I'm going to pause it for like a couple minutes, let it drop a little bit, and then yeah, I can pick it up. Like I said, guys, this isn't even my fucking platform. I don't even fucking trade on this fucking platform. You know what? It's always cool to call a move live and let the video run, you know? I don't know many traders that do it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. My mouse is dead. Oh no. Which means this recording is gonna stay running. Let me see if I take the battery out and put the fucking battery back in, because that's always like a nice little short-term fix with these battery products. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look at that. Look at that. If trading doesn't work out, maybe I'll just become a fucking electrician. Anyways, right now we are up 10 pips. 10 pips. Which is honestly usually good enough for me, because we usually only risk 3-4 pips. But with this particular trade, we risked 10 pips. So I want to get 20 pips. Okay? Okay? And that's what's gonna fucking happen. Guys, I honestly, I want to tell you guys how fucking cool I actually feel for drinking fucking cold water and fucking Starbucks. Like, I feel so fucking cool. Like, do you guys fucking understand that on this bottle, it doesn't expire till December of 2025? Crazy. That's 1,000 fucking years. It's crazy to think that when the apocalypse happens, motherfuckers are gonna be drinking this shit. This shit. This shit. Guys, we're almost at take profit. I want to hold it down to 200 support. I would love to see 200 support. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. 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 We're up thousands of dollars. Man, I fucking love my life, bro. I love it. I love it. Honestly, I think we're going to get out of this shit. I think we're going to get out of this shit. Who knows? This could be a big move, fellas. Remember, this thing is fucking bearish. We got this big impulse wave, which seems more of a pump and dump to me. It's Tuesday fucking night. Tuesday night. So I'm probably going to drop overnight. So I'm going to take profits pretty fucking soon. Oh, man, I want to take profits right now. We're getting close. We're getting close. Right here, we're going to get out, honestly. Honestly, we're going to get out right fucking here. Alright, guys, let me pause this fucking shit so I can do my real video, because we all know how we do. We all know how we do. Alright, hold on. I'll be back. Alright, motherfuckers. Alright, motherfuckers. I would update, but your platform fucking blows cock. Alright? Guys, if you need a trade on fucking smarttrader.com/fucking charts. That is the fucking wave. This is bullshit. But honestly, I'll show you right now. I'll show you right now what's going on with Smart Trader. It's stuck. It's fucking stuck. It's stuck. This happened 2 fucking hours ago, guys. That's not what's happening. Alright? Honestly, I know I could get more right now. I could probably get this buy over here. Bet. I don't want to get greedy. I want to go to the fucking gym, and I want to go, enjoy the rest of my fucking day. So you know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna wrap this shit up. Make sure you like this. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the fucking channel. Just do that. Just subscribe to the channel and like this, and maybe drop a comment if that's what you're feeling. If you want to shit on me, go ahead. Shit on me. But not many of you guys did what I did today. So fuck off, alright? Shit on me. I don't give a fuck. But you know what? Other than that, guys, I fucking love you all. That's me clapping my 1,000-year expiration core water, which is fucking crazy to think about. So when you guys are all dead from the apocalypse, this is what I'm going to be fucking drinking in my bunker. Peace!